Sauce Katsudon is a local delicacy of Fukui Prefecture. Panko-coated and deep-fried cutlet is dipped in a savory sauce and served over steamed rice with shredded cabbage. This is different from a typical and popular katsudon with eggs, but it's so delicious. First, we make the sauce. In a small pot, add Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and water. Mix and let boil for a minute. And pour the sauce in a shallow dish. Shred the cabbage and set aside. Make small cuts all over the pork chops with the tip of a knife. We are using pork chops like this, but you can use different cut of pork like pork tenderloin too. And cover with the plastic if you want, and pound the meat with a meat tenderizer. Sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of the meat. Coat the meat with the flour. Next, dip in the egg. And then cover with panko breadcrumbs. You can use any types of breadcrumbs for this dish. Heat the deep frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and gently drop the meat in the oil. Turning once or twice, deep fry the meat until the color turns golden brown and the meat floats in the oil, about 5 to 8 minutes. And dip and coat the entire pork cutlet well with the sauce on both sides. Transfer to a cutting board, then slice each cutlet into 6 to 8 pieces. Put the steamed rice in a bowl. Top with shredded cabbage, the sauce, and the pork. Add more sauce if you like. Crispy pork dipped in a savory sauce, fresh cabbage, and steamed rice go perfectly well together. If you like tonkatsu, you should definitely give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。